Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. So, it was recently my birthday. Yay! And I am going to be doing a haul of all the stuff that I got for my birthday. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so I think we can just jump right into all the stuff that I got. So the first thing that I got was a really cool camera for filming, the Panasonic Lumix ZS60. Now, I've been filming on a phone, and I feel like with this camera, I am hoping to get 2 videos out a week, and I'm just really excited for it. Hopefully, it is going to be arriving in 3 more days, September 26th. I'm just so excited. I'll leave a link where you can check it out. And yeah, that's why I'm not showing it, because it still hasn't arrived. So now, still in the camera kind of category, I got a couple of filming equipment stuff. The first thing being this really cool ring light. Now, you're probably wondering, what's cool about a ring light? Well, first of all, this means that I can film at night, because I usually just rely on sunlight thingamajigger. But now that I have this, I will hopefully not rely on that. So it's pretty compact, which I wanted. That's what I had requested. And it has 3 controls. So the first one's super bright. The second one's kind of like a daylight. And the third one's like a bluish kind of color. I don't have an adapter next to me right now, so I can't really show you guys how it is, but hopefully in upcoming videos you guys will see it. I'm really happy with this, and I'm just so lucky because this ring light is actually really nice, and I like that it's really compact. So the last film equipment thing that I got was just a tiny little microphone. Yeah, just a microphone, nothing special about it. I'll be putting it into my camera, hopefully giving you guys the best audio and video quality. It's just a tiny microphone, nothing really special about it. Came in a little baggie. I got the ring light and this off of Amazon and the camera, so I'm really excited about that. Hopefully it'll be working and it'll be great. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Now that's it for, actually I also got this camera kind of thing for my tripod. I had one, but this is another one in case I want 2 angles. Okay, that's it for the camera stuff. So now let's go on to art supplies, which of course is the most exciting category. Now the first thing that I got, which I am just mind blown, so excited, is, drumroll please. Oh, they almost bought. Okay, drumroll please. Posca markers. Now, Now, Poscas, I'm really excited to have these because I'm more of an alcohol marker kind of girl, but I've been really interested in Poscas. And Poscas are I like Copics in the sense that they're actually really expensive. This 15 pack is $50 on Amazon, but I got it and I'm really fortunate. I am definitely going to be having a review on it. I already activated the navy one. Oh wait, I haven't activated the navy one, but I've already activated a couple of them, like the purple one. So I'm really excited. You can look for a review on that very soon. And then I also got the Ohuhu skin tone marker pack. This was also off of Amazon. It comes with skin tones, 24 different colors, and I'm really excited. I'll definitely have a review on that coming soon. And then I also got some fine liners. These are 6 Staedtler pigment liners. They're really nice from what I can tell so far, and I actually really love them. So I really actually recommend these. I love the case they come in and the different sizes. They're just really awesome from what I can tell so far. Now I also got, yes, the packaging's beat up because Amazon. But these are Prismacolor Call Erase pencils. Basically how these work is they are erasable colored pencils, as simple as that. And they come with a bunch of different colors, and so many people have recommended these, so I got the 24 pack. A review on this also coming, I think, and I'm just really excited because it's a really big upgrade from graphite. It comes with all these different colors, and yeah, a review on that coming soon. The last art supply that I got was this really cool gold pen, and if you watch Mayor Baylee, then this would be familiar. It's just a gold marker made out of gold leaf. Super cool. Now, I also actually ordered Bianio markers, but those haven't arrived yet. I'll put a picture on the screen of how those look like. 36 pack, super excited. Review on that also coming soon. I also got some books, but they're not next to me. I got Front Desk, Short. Yeah, these are the name of the books. What were the other books? Oh, 5 Facts. Yeah, 5 Facts about Ava Andrews. And the last book that I got was called Right as Rain. So, super excited about that. But yeah, those are the things that I got for my birthday. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, I'm like super excited that it was my birthday, and I'm super fortunate for all the stuff I got. Hopefully reviews will be coming soon. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye everybody.